Hi guys, my name is Gia and I'm a junior at Lehigh. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to add multiples of 100. We're going to practice with a few examples and then go through them together. And if at any point you guys want to pause the video and try to do the problems on your own, you can, and then you can continue watching and check your answer with what we do together. So let's start by learning with an example. The questions are going to be asking you basically how to add multiples of 100. So you might have 100 plus 600, and then it's asking you what they add to. So you notice that both numbers have two zeros at the end. When the numbers of zeros is the same, it is really simple to add. First, you just arrange the numbers one above one another, like this. I'm sure you guys have seen adding like this. And then the first thing you do is add the zeros. Wherever the zero is, there is a zero below another zero, like this. Place a zero at the bottom. This is just because 0 plus 0 simply equals 0, and that's what they did here. And then you add the remaining digits, and you have 1 plus 6, and 1 plus 6 equals 7. So now you have a total of 700. So this is pretty simple once you get the hang of it. So let's go through a few examples. Okay, the first one says add 100 plus 200. So let's do it the same way the example showed us, where we add 100 plus 200, and we write them one on top of another. And the zeros line up, so 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So your final answer here would be 300. So let's check. And that's correct. So now we're going to go through another one. Like I said before, at any time you can pause the video and practice these on your own when you think you have the hang of it, and then you can play and then double check. So this one says 200 plus 600. You add the zeros in both columns. This is the tens place, the ones place, the tens place, and in the hundredths place we have 2 plus 6, and 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So your final answer is 800, and we can check that, and that's correct. On to the next one, 600 plus 300. We add the ones place, which is 0 plus 0, again 0 plus 0, and 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So our answer is 900. We can double check, and that is correct. Next one says 100 plus 500. 100, plus 500. Sorry, my writing isn't the best on the screen. So you do 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, and 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So your answer is 600. We could double check. Okay, now this isn't the exact example that is being shown here. I'm going to do a different example for you guys on the workspace over here. So just ignore this question. What if we had 900 plus 200? This one's a little different, but it's still simple. So you start by adding the zeros. 0 plus 0, you get 0. 0 plus 0, you get 0. And then 9 plus 2 is actually equal to 11. So you don't have to carry the number over. You just simply would bring it down. So Now you have this, and your number is equal to 1,100 that I'm writing over here, a little bit neater. So that is what your answer would be. So even though it goes over that hundredths place, and now you're in like the thousandth place, you just continue to add this last column together, and whatever it is, you just put it in the front, and that is what your entire number becomes. So we can do another one. Say you had 800 plus 600. You add the zeros. Now you have 8 plus 6, and 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. So you just write 14 here just like you would. And now your answer is 1,400. So it's super simple, and you can continue this adding multiples of 100, and it just continues. So this was a little trick. I hope you guys learned something new. You can go back and watch the video and practice some more examples if you want. But that's all I have for today. So thanks for watching.